Hey geeks, today we are going to solve one problem that I come across in one of my recent interviews. The problem statement is print next palindromic prime number. Like if they are going to give something like n value 100,000 whatever it may be, we have to print our next prime number which must be a palindrome. Okay, this was our problem statement. I am just going to solve in methods by using some methods like this was our problem statement. Okay, I'm going to get rid of it. Okay, scanner class I have imported to get some input from the user. Okay, I am going to print our next palindromic prime, so I have declared it as getNext n. So I am going to define my method getNext n. So this is my method I have already defined. So it's like recursion, it's going to get run infinitely unless I found my prime number and it must be a palindrome. If it's a palindrome and prime, then the while loop gets getting breaked. So if it's not a palindrome or prime number, then it's going to get increment the number by 1 and it's going to check whether it's a prime number and palindrome. So after that, if it is prime and it is a palindrome, then the while loop is getting break, then I am going to return my n value. So for that I am just going to define my prime number method and this palindrome method. So now I have defined my this prime method, so it's going to return true or false only. So I am used math.square root function. It's nothing but a prime number is a number that is divisible by 1 and by itself only. Anything apart from this divisible, then it's not going to be a prime number. So I am just going from 2 to square root of that particular number. Anything apart from that math dot square root of that particular number, it's not our case. We do not need to check 2 to math dot square root of n. If anything divisible by this range, then it's definitely not going to be a prime number. So if n modulo I equals 0, then return false. If everything goes fine up to math dot square root of n, then return true, it's a prime number. Okay, I'm going to check it's a palindrome or not. I have already defined it. It's also going to do return true or false only is palindrome. It's going to get n as an input parameter, and for my convenience I am going to convert that integer into string. It will be easy for me to compare first and last, second and second last, third and third last. Okay, I am looping from the first index to that middle index, and I am comparing the first character with the last character, second character with the second last character. So caret I, it's from 0 to middle value. This sorry, this is pointing from 0 to middle, and this is pointing from last to middle. Okay, at the end of the string to middle. So if anything found unmatched, then I am going to return false because it is not a palindrome. If everything goes fine, then I am going to return true because it's a palindrome. So that's all for we have done our coding part. I am going to check my next palindrome. So start from 100, just 100. Next, wait for our output. 101, yeah, it's our next palindrome prime number. Okay, just like 10, it must be 11. Okay, yeah, we have 11. So 1000. So what is the next palindromic prime number? 10301. Yeah, that's it guys, have a nice day.